Now we're going to cover a couple different scenarios of problems with running CasaTunes. If you start CasaTunes and it says connecting, but eventually it gives you an error report, there are a couple different reasons why that might happen. We're going to cover these scenarios one at a time. First thing to do is look at the URL or the address that is in the browser window. Make sure it matches the PC name where CasaTunes is installed, and then of course says CasaTunes or CasaTunes/default.aspx. So let's just check to see if that's the correct computer name. Go to your CasaTunes server computer, go down to the Start menu, right click on Computer, and click on Properties. The computer name in this case is CT-PC. Let's go back and we see that CAT-PC is incorrect. So just change it to CT-PC and now you're running. Next scenario. Another problem might be if Windows Firewall is blocking CasaTunes. In this case, when you start up CasaTunes, you probably won't see an address displayed. But eventually it will time out. Again, check your CasaTunes server's PC address. In this case, I'm sure it's correct. Then go to the Windows PC, open up the Windows Firewall. Click on Change Settings in Vista. Every version of the operating system seems to be a little different here. Click on Exceptions. And make sure CasaTunes is added as an exception. Click on OK. Then when you go back to your first computer, everything should be fine. Another possibility is if you were to change your computer name. Well, an easy way to get around this, if you're on your local PC, is just type in localhost. This would only work on the user interface that's actually on the PC where CasaTunes is. One other possibility is to go and find the IP address of the CasaTunes server. This is a special address that the browsers recognize. Click on Start. Type in CMD. In Windows XP, you would click on Run and type in CMD and .exe, hit Enter. Type in ipconfig, and here's your IP address. Just replace your computer name with the IP address. You can do that from any computer in the house. Just put in that IP address that you find on your CasaTunes server in for the computer name, and any computer in the house will be able to address your server without any other problems. We've seen where certain types of routers, if they're set up too securely, will not let you access your CasaTunes server using the CasaTunes server's PC name. So again, put in the IP address and usually that fixes that problem.